Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is an excellent week over at Walgreens. So this is your preview for the week of the 16th to the 22nd. And there's a lot of magic in this, including 2 free items, which is always really super cool, and cheap big tides, which we love as well. If you could please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Really helps out the channel and the video. If you could take a second and like the video, thank you so much in advance, guys. So let's hop right into it. The first freebie is an 8x10 photo with the code COOLFREE, exactly as pictured, and it's until the 18th, which is Tuesday. I have a cute little photo here of Gizmo doing some extreme couponing over at Meijer, and he got a lot of goodies lately, so he's in the stockpile room showing off. I wonder if that should be my print. No, I'm just kidding. He doesn't drive very well. Okay, and with that free code, will this guy be printing, which is the 5 back when you spend 15? I don't know at this point. So I definitely am going to put that order in probably on Sunday and then test it out and then see what happens. But remember, it expires on Tuesday, the 18th. We also have this. It's going on for 4 days. It's 17% off of a $17 order with the code LUCKY17, online only. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be available to load on Sunday the 16th. St. Patrick's Day will be Monday the 17th. So if there are any beads or hats that you wish to buy, probably will be 50% off starting on Tuesday the 18th, the day after St. Patrick's Day. Let's get right into the deals. This is a unique one. It's 1 free Downy rinse when you purchase a Tide Pod for $12.99. So here's the deal. We actually have a $3 digital for that Tide Pod if you didn't use it. I actually had 2 on one account, which was odd, but here it is. So make sure you have this guy loaded, or I would just go through your account and see, like, do I have it? Don't I have it? One of those for $12.99, a Tide Pod, subtracting that digital coupon, and you're also going to grab one of those Downy rinse and refresh. It makes it $9.99 for the 2 or $4.99 per product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And I haven't seen a digital booster as of yet, but if you might have a paper booster, obviously you can't, use Walgreens cash and do a booster at the same time, or it's going to mess things up. But yeah, this is a really good deal, and I haven't seen a deal like this in quite some time over at Walgreens. Okay, next deal is a complete freebie. It's to grab 2 350 dental care products by Crest or Oral-B. And 2 of them is $7. Subtracting your 3 off of 2, you're going to pay $4. Get back a $4 register reward, making it free. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn your register reward. But what a fantastic deal for some free dental care products. We also have this Dove promotion. I'm thinking the Dove men's shampoo will be $5. It's always the cheapest item in the line. We're going to have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of those shampoos for $10, subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $6. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $4 for 2 or $2 per shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. The Colgate for $4, we're going to track down 2 of them, and we're going to load that 4 off of 2 digital coupon, $3 reward when you buy 2. So grabbing 2 Colgate products for $8, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $4. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Garnier Whole Blends is back. 3 off 2 digital coupon. Hopefully we get one for both the Fructis and the Whole Blends. Grabbing 2 of the Fructis for $8. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $5. Get back a $3 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per shampoo. And again, if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Pay $5 to get back that $3 register reward. This deal is a little bit different. It is to spend $15 to get back $5 in Walgreens cash. The word spend is there. Pay attention to that. So 3 men's body washes at $5 a pop. That's usually the cheapest item in the line. That's 15. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay 12 with your debit card. As the promotion is spend 15 to get back 5. You're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $7 for the 3 or $2.33 per body wash. Let's not forget, class, not to use Walgreens cash as this is a spend offer. I'm going to call this one a wait and see on Sunday, but I do have something typed up. The Olay body wash, are we getting a 7 off a 2 for that? And I know it's going to be $13. So grabbing 2 fancies and then 1 plain one for 7. That's what we're going to go with. And IBOTTA currently has also a $3 for each of those fancier body washes. I did get the lotion a couple weeks ago, and I got to say it is really, really nice. And this body wash also very nice. So grabbing 2 fancier body washes and then one of the $7 ones, that's $33. Subtracting that 7 off 2, you're going to pay $26. Get back a $5 register reward. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $6 back, making it $15 for the 3 or $5 per fancy body wash. Considering it's $13, a little bit of savings right there. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But if you might have a paper booster, like a 7 back when you spend $25, this would be absolutely ideal to get something for such a big basket. Now this deal, we're happy to see it's back on the Tide Laundry Care, $4 reward when you purchase 4, and it says Tide Laundry Care. So 4 of those products for $21.96. Typically we have about $5 in digitals, so we're going to have to load some on Sunday morning. You're going to pay $16.96, get back a $4 register reward, making it $12.96 for the 4 or $3.24 per Tide, and it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Gain is back. So we have a $2 digital coupon. I think there's going to be one for liquid, one for pods, and then maybe one for the those scent boosters. So grabbing one of each at $9.99, that's $19.98. Subtracting two $2 digitals, you're going to pay $15.98. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $11.98 for the 2 or $5.99 per gain. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But if you have a booster, I mean, you'd have to pay the balance with your debit card. You can get something back, especially if that 5 back when you spend 15. This would be an ideal basket to get those gains a little bit cheaper than $5.99. This deal is still ongoing. Buy one, get one 50% off with a $10 reward when you purchase 2. Look for the tagging in store near the Batiste displays. So for 2 of them, it's $20.24. The $13.49 products, BOGO 50% off. And hopefully they are printing on Sunday. I know that we had issues with that last Sunday. But 2 of these will be $20.24. You're getting back a $10 register reward. IBOTTA still had a $2 rebate back on each. You're going to have to double, triple check it's still there. So it would make it $6.24 for the 2 or $3.12 per dry shampoo, and it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And I'm going to also let you guys know we rarely get deals for dry shampoo, so if this is a product that you use, definitely time to stock up on it for this price point, because it's a weird product we don't really ever get deals on. Let's talk about some quick honorable mentions, friends. The first one goes to the 3 for $9 on the Dawn Febreze Mr. Clean. I would love to see some digital coupons with this little trio, so we're going to have to wait and see Sunday morning what is presented. And just a little food for thought, if you are a big soda drinker and you like to buy canned soda with the tariffs and all that stuff with aluminum, that's what they use to make the cans. This and beer apparently are 2 products in April that will be jumping in price. And this isn't a political channel whatsoever, but I'm just letting you guys know I've seen specifically this product and beer. They're saying that the prices are supposed to be jumping in April. So if you want to stock up, now is the time. When you are in store on Sunday, definitely keep your eyes peeled for clearance. 90%, lots of first aid, lot of body washes, deodorant, frozen food. You might want to look through these different sections so you can score really big. Often stores will start marking stuff up on Saturdays and Tuesdays. So if you're in the store this weekend, look around for the clearance. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.